Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Story Time in English, the podcast where learning English is fun, simple, and useful. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Ethan. Hi, Olivia, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is about one of the most important grammar topics in English, the present simple tense.
Yes, the present simple is the first tense that most learners study. It's the foundation of English grammar, and you will use it every single day.
So, Ethan, when do we use the present simple?
Good question. We use the present simple to talk about facts and general truths, things that are always true, habits and routines, things we do regularly, schedules and timetables, like buses, trains, or school times.
Let's give some examples. A fact: the sun rises in the east. A routine: I brush my teeth every morning. A schedule: the train leaves at 9 o'clock.
Great! So, listeners, here's your first task. Repeat after me. The sun rises in the east. Good. Now say I brush my teeth every morning. And finally, the train leaves at 9 o'clock.
Now let's talk about how to form the present simple.
For I, you, we, they, the verb stays the same. I play football. You like pizza. We live in Paris. They speak English.
But for he, she, it, we usually add s or s to the verb. He plays football. She likes pizza. It rains a lot in autumn.
Let's practice together. Listeners, repeat after us. I work in an office. He works in an office. They study English. She studies English.
Now, how do we ask questions in the present simple?
We use do or does. With I, you, we, they use do. Do you like music? With he, she, it use does. Does she play the piano?
And don't forget, when we use does, the verb stays in the base form. We don't say does she plays. We say does she play.
Let's give listeners a quick exercise. Olivia, I'll say the answer, and you ask the question.
Okay.
Yes, I like pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Perfect. Next one. Yes, she plays tennis.
Does she play tennis?
Now, listeners, it's your turn. I'll say the answer, and you try to make the question. Ready? Answer. Yes, he speaks English. Good. The question is, does he speak English?
What about negatives?
Easy. We use don't or doesn't. I don't like coffee. They don't live in London. He doesn't play football. She doesn't watch TV.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I don't like coffee. He doesn't play football. We don't study German. She doesn't drive a car.
Let's give some real life examples. Olivia, what do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I have coffee and toast for breakfast. Then I go to work.
Great. Now let's talk about your friend Anna.
Anna wakes up at 8 o'clock. She drinks tea. She usually eats cereal for breakfast. She works in a hospital.
Listeners, notice the difference. I wake up. She wakes up.
Exactly. I drink tea. She drinks tea.
Try making two sentences now, one about you and one about your friend. Use I and he or she.
Let's do a mini quiz. I'll say a sentence with a mistake, and you correct it. Ready?
Okay,
She play the guitar.
that's wrong. The correct sentence is she plays the guitar.
Next one, he don't like chocolate.
Wrong again. Correct sentence, he doesn't like chocolate.
Excellent.
So, today we learned use the present simple for facts, routines, and schedules. Add s or es for he, she, it. Use do, does for questions. Use don't, doesn't for negatives.
That's right. And the best way to learn is to practice every day. Write down your own routine in English. For example, I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I go to work, then try to change it. My brother wakes up at 8. He brushes his teeth. He goes to school.
That's a fantastic exercise.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Storytime in English. We hope you enjoyed learning about the present simple tense.
Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
And of course, leave us a comment below. Write 3-5 sentences about your day using the present simple. We'll read them and we'll be so happy to see your progress.
That's your homework, listeners. Practice makes perfect.
Until next time, keep practicing and enjoy learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.